Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me today. I'm so happy to be with you. I hope everybody's doing well. Last week I had to go to a celebration of life. So I purchased a bag from across country because this style I was interested in, and they didn't have it here. So they shipped it for me across country, and it was really small. And I chose not to use that to go to the celebration of life. But today I was about to go to Macy's and return it. It came from a Macy's store on the East Coast. So I was going to return it today, but as I'm about to pack it up to take it back to the store, I'm looking and looking at it, and I'm saying, this is really cute. And that was, I don't know if that was the deadly mistake or not, but it wound up that now I'm feeling that if I return it, I'm going to regret it. So I wanted to share it with you guys and get your opinion. Now this is it's a new bag, kind of a new bag from Coach. I had this exact bag last year. I bought it in the color natural. And I returned it because I have so many of the brownish colors bags, and it was very small then, and it's still very small now. So I felt it wasn't for me. But because I had to go to this situation where we were going to celebrate the life of somebody who died in the family, a black bag would be appropriate. So I ordered this bag, and it came to me, and I didn't wear it. I carried a bigger bag instead of this bag. And let me just show you what this bag is. It's really, really cute. It's a Coach bag, and it's called the Borough Bowling Bag. Now they call it a bowling bag because it looks just like the bags when your husbands or you go to the lanes and you put your bowling ball in here. That it looks the same shape, and it's the same kind of a vibe, I guess. Only this is much, much smaller. This is very small. And that's why I was going to return it to Macy's. It comes with a strap, a removable and adjustable strap. And it's just really, really cute. Let me show you how it looks. So I'm still on the fence about it. So I figured I would see what you have to say. You attach it over here. It's not easy to do without a table. I don't have I must get a table. So I'm attaching the straps, and it has a leather zipper pull over here, and here is the D-ring where you would put this. And this is how it looks on me. It's a perfect size, right? It's so cute. When you're going to a funeral, you don't need to carry too much. I thought it would be great. But actually, it didn't hold what I wanted it to hold because I was going to be out for the day, and then we were going to go out to eat, and I like to take a little more with me, to lipstick and stuff like that. So as I said, I carried a different bag, and this was going to go back to the store today. But what do you think? What do you think about it? The one that was the natural color, I only returned it because I have so many. It wasn't this style. It wasn't really that it was so small, even though it is small. The issue I have with this bag is the opening over here, the zipper. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I don't want it to drop. So this is glove tan leather. I don't want to injure it, whether I'm going to keep it or not. This is the issue I have with this zipper. If they were making a movie, Jaws again, this would be the perfect stand-in. Right? This is the zipper, and this is about how far it opens. That's the issue that I have. When you put your hand in the zipper, you can feel the zipper on you, on your hand. This is about as far as I'm going to open it, with it's not being 100% mine. If I brought it back, I don't want to injure it in any way. And so that's the reason I'm on the fence with it, because it's so cute. It doesn't hold all that much, but it holds enough really for me to run to a store, maybe not go away for the day, but to run to the store. It could hold my keys, my wallet, my small wallet, and a small pouch. That's what I always take. So what do you think? What do you think of this? I think if I return it, I'll regret it. It's over $200. It's actually $425 today at Bloomingdale's and Macy's. I paid, the first time I bought the bag, I think I paid $120 or $130, something like that. The tan bag, the natural color bag. This one I paid $200 for, and they shipped it to me. But I could bring it back to any Macy's, so that works out. It's cute. I think that if I will regret returning it, because once this is out of my hands, it's probably gone, because it's not available in the Coach stores anymore. This one store happened to have a leftover one, and it's in excellent condition. I'm sure this, I don't have my glasses on, but I'm sure this says, I don't know if it's upside down or down, but this is, I'm sure it says Coach, I can't see it at all, I'm sorry, but it probably says Coach Glove Tan Leather. It has the name, the tag for Coach. And it's really, really nice. It's so smooth and it's very soft. It's just this opening. What's in here? I have, this in here. I also have a dust bag in here, but I left it inside. This comes with a dust bag, a small dust bag. And this is, I believe it says $425. But Macy's and Bloomingdale's has it for $425 now, as I said. And I think they have it for $425 because this coming weekend, I believe, is not Memorial Day, Labor Day. And they'll probably put it on sale for Labor Day. Because that's how the stores work. They like to, I have found that they raise the price right before they're going to lower it. So that when the people see a low price, they rush to get it while they can. It's like a mind game, I think, but it works. So this is the bag. It's really cute. It's adjustable straps. I like it. But I have another bag that is a small bag, which I love, and I can put so much in it. So I want to show you that bag. I've showed it to you before, but I want to compare it to this bag. This is my Go Forth Goods Jane, the small Jane. They're about the same size. This is 3/4 of an inch smaller, shorter than this. This could hold a very limited amount, and I'm going to show you what I could put in it. This has a huge amount in here for this little bag. It's unbelievable. So, do I need 2 bags that do the same purpose? These don't do the same purpose. Just because they're small, this one is more for going out, and this is for every day or anything you want to do. Whatever you want to do, even going out, going to a restaurant. Whereas this one, I wouldn't take mountain climbing. This one I would. Or if I ever went mountain climbing, which I never would. But if I did something rough like that, this could stand it. This, I wouldn't do it because this is delicate glove tan leather. So let me show you what's in here in the Go Forth Goods bag. Which this is my everyday bag. I use this all the time. This is like packed to the brim. I have sunnies. have a small agenda. I have a pouch, small pouch, keys, and a Go Forth Goods wallet, large wallet. So now it's empty. There is a back pocket here, and this bag also has a back pocket. Their back pocket has a snap. I'll show you that. Well, it's so tight, I don't think you can see it. This is the back pocket here. And it has a snap, and the snap is open. Let's take this out. So you can see it better. This is the other side. Take out all this paper. That's that side. And that is the other side. So let's see if I could put those things back in here. Do you think I could fit the Go Forth Goods wallet? I think this is putting it to the test. No, this won't go in. This is too long. Okay. I usually won't wear this size wallet on a small bag anyway. Could I fit the agenda? Yes. Can I fit the pouch? Yes. Can I fit the keys? Sure thing. And the sunnies. Yes, but that's basically, I don't think I could fit anymore. It's right up to the top. And what is this? Oh, part of the this is sticking out. Okay, let's see. Uh-oh, I better get it out. It's the pouch is sticking out. Put it back in. The pouch is trying to escape. Okay, let's see if it closes. Doing things in the air is a little hard for me. It did close, and it's completely full. So yes, only this didn't fit, and I have small wallets, which I could use instead of that. And yeah, it held almost everything. So it's small, but you could use it. The only thing is the zipper, and maybe in time, as you use it, this will loosen up. I don't want to expand it as much as possible in case it's not going to be mine, but I think it is going to be mine. I think so, because this I use every single day, and I love it. I'm going to get more of these, but there were times maybe I want to wear something like this, and I might as well have it as long as I have it now. And if I change my mind, which will probably be, I probably will change my mind if I gave it back, I'd probably regret it. So I'm going to keep it. What do you think? Do you guys like it? Should I keep it? Do you think I'm, better off getting something bigger for an occasion such as this? Would you carry something like this? Let me know in the messages, in the comments section, if you care to. Thank you so much for joining me. I am really happy. I'm loving this bag so much, the Go Forth Goods bags, and I'm kind of happy I'm going to keep it. I actually talked myself right into it while I was showing it to you. I was very undecided, and I decided, I was talking to you, even though you didn't answer me yet, I still feel your presence, and I think I'm definitely gonna keep it. I think I'm definitely gonna keep it. That's, let me know your opinion. I'm probably gonna keep it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys are all doing well, and I hope to see you in the next video, and I will answer your comments if you care to say hello to me. I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye, everybody. Take good care.